midst of adversity, where hope seems dim, a beacon of support emerged for the Rohingya community in Cox's Bazar. Today, on behalf of the Rohingya Human Rights Network, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to the United Nations World Food Programme, the Bureau for Humanitarian Assistance of the United States, Agency for International Development, and all the generous donors who have stood by us in these challenging times.
To the United Nations World Food Programme and the dedicated individuals working tirelessly, thank you for recognizing the urgency of the situation. Your decision to increase the food ration from 8 USD to 10 USD starting January 2024 is a lifeline for Rohingya refugees. This gesture reflects compassion and a commitment to alleviating the suffering of those who have been endured crisis after crisis.
A special appreciation goes to the Bureau for Humanitarian Assistance of the USA. Your recent contribution of 87 USD million is a testament to the unwavering support of United States. This timely funding will significantly enhance the efforts of the World Food Programme in providing the essential assistance to the Rohingya refugees in Cox's Bazar and Bhasan Char Islands.
As we express our gratitude, we also recognize the ongoing challenges faced by the Rohingya community. Limited freedom of movement, job opportunities, and increasing security threats. The camps are vulnerable to climate-related disaster, adding another layer of uncertainty. We appeal for continued support from governments, donors, and development partners.
The impact of funding shortage has been stark. Food assistance cards led to a rapid deterioration in the food security situation, with families resorting to the less nutrition option.
Our children are bearing the burn, with an increase in admission to treatment program for severe and moderate acute malnutrition. This is a stark reminder for the urgent need for sustained assistance.
Looking ahead, we commend World Food Programme's plan to introduce fortified rice to the food basket in Cox's Bazar. This step, coupled with the need for an additional 79 million to restore the food ration, reflect a commitment to not just addressing immediate needs but also building resilience for the future. In closing, we thank everyone who has contributed to this positive development. Your support is more than aid. It's a lifeline, a ray of hope for the Rohingya community. Together, let's continue to stand as a beacon of humanity, ensuring that no one is left behind. Thank you for making a difference.